up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of BurnDown. And as you can see, we are driving. We are on our way to Jeff's house. Say hi to everybody, buddy.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Kickendale Way.
Anyway, so much for that. So, we are on our way to Jeff's. We're gonna help him with his fuel system. I brought the boy so he can kind of come and hang out because he wanted to. And other than that, I'll bring you, what we got going on with his car. We'll kind of go over it. Both the boys are there, Reid and Jeff, working away. So I'm actually late to the party, but I brought lemon drink and a good attitude. So we're gonna be good.
Lemon drink!
Yeah. You're gonna go put those somewhere chilly?
Now we screwed ourselves.
Too much.
Thank you, sir. So what have you guys got so far? Just that? You got this thing mounted?
Yep.
That looks really fancy.
Yeah, we've been doing it fabricating today.
All right.
Take action with the old sinker wave here.
Dude, the mini unit? Is this the smallest one they make?
It's bigger than what I got at work.
This is like, yeah, this is, and it has its own roll bar.
It's a sweetheart, man. That thing
Oh yeah.
smells like butter.
Yeah. So, working on the fuel system. He decided to go with the baby tank. I don't know what the thinking is here, but this is what we're going with. I sold him this Magnafuel 4301, but it's actually rebuilt to 4303, so that's a big boy pump. And this is where they mount it, so we're trying to get it from here to the fuel rails, and then back into one of these guys somehow. So, that's what we're working with, and we're gonna get to rolling. Where's the questionable bend?
Well, we need to make a question mark first.
There you go.
So,
the other one?
yeah, so we made a,
Oh, there you go.
we made Captain Hook already.
The pirate hook.
Made,
Just a little. It was perfect, but not enough room to get.
so he didn't leave enough room to make the flares. So this is tubing school 101 today.
Yep.
So we're teaching Jeff how to leave all
That's
the tubing
enough,
long. Yeah, if you run this on the end plus the nut, you're gonna need, I'd say like,
Thank you.
so the length of this, leave that much.
Past where I start to bend.
Yeah, so see, now you're probably cool right there.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna cut this down as short as you can after you get the bends kind of in line.
Okay.
All right, we'll try that. We'll bring you guys back and let you know how it works out. Go, Jeff, go.
Next week on BurnDown, still bending.
Jeff has a full beard and he's still out of tubing.
What you're doing there, bud?
No.
So now you tighten it till it stops. You don't need to crank it like
Feels
that's
really
good.
hot.
Yeah, until you can't physically do it anymore. No.
Get it in the vice.
Kick it.
Impact.
And then that's it. And
How
then
many Ugga Duggas does that take?
and then the telltale is yeah, I think you're all right. But see how it's shiny?
Mhm.
And then you don't want any ridges or cracks, so you take it out and inspect it. But it looks like we may have pushed it down a little bit. Like, see how it's not level anymore?
Yeah.
So maybe bring it up a little bit and give her a little more juice. Make sure that thing's tight. Maybe I didn't tighten it enough. So, and that's it.
Okay.
Tighten this one as tight as you can. This one, you just snug it. So that one needs to be tight AF, dude.
All right.
Yeah, give her just a little bit more juice just to flare it a little bit better. Then you'll be good. Then when he fires the pump up and it leaks all over his trunk, I'll be like, I don't know what you're talking about. Look at that, that's a thing of beauty, Jeff.
It came out pretty decent.
Yeah.
For two-thirds.
Not too bad. Now you just gotta make this one to there,
Yep.
and then figure out how to get it to the rails, right?
Yeah.
Reid
back.
figure out the rails already.
We got the Reid bender over here.
Yeah.
See, that's what happens when you give somebody crap, then you start doing it, and it all goes to hell.
Well, what did you have?
That's looking professional, right?
That's wonderful. Did you ever get through the list that's on the window? Or are you still actually working on it?
Well, let's see here. Wire transfer brake, we can cross that one off. Wire boost controller, we can cross that one off. Fuel pressure sensor, we can cross that one off. New fuel pump, check. Plumb new fuel pump.
In the process.
And then wire.
The headlight.
I was gonna say you gotta erase the S, and
you
then
got
yeah,
one.
you'll be set. Yeah, you're getting there.
Gotta wear it. We gotta wear it.
So Jeff was making fun of Reid for putting the nut on backwards, and he's like, "Oh yeah, look, they match."
Some bitch.
Do you have enough room? I think I got enough room to redo mine.
I don't.
I don't really like that flare. It works, but it made it lumpy, dude. All right, well, if that's what this is for, that little groove in there, that'll cut just the flare off.
Oh, you hell yeah.
Yeah. See, we know how to fix mistakes around here. All right, the moment of truth. Wow, look at that.
Damn.
Damn.
Now I just gotta screw the rest of it up.
That's what I'm working on.
Pretty slick.
That's my job.
Now we just got to get it from there and figure out the hole.
Rest of the way.
Oh, so you're gonna put it way up there, in that little one of those 1/8 inch
Yeah,
holes.
it's gonna go up a little bit higher, I think. I'm gonna get
Drop
under
it
there
down.
and drill a hole, nice angle in.
If you want to do that, then we can start running this while Reid's over there doing the dance. Making progress. I was trying to convince him to just put a little strap right here, maybe tech screw it, and then we could just we could just hang the regulator right there, and tech would be stoked. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that! Like a pro.
Woo-wee!
That's how it's done.
All right.
We're gonna take notes. Hand bent.
Perfection. Only took me like 6 tries.
Get the damn thing back in the bender here.
All right, we'll throw you guys on a time lapse for this struggle. Otherwise, this video is gonna be like 4 minutes long. All it's gonna be is, look, Jeff put the collar on upside down.
Oh, hell.
All right, before the battery runs out, we've got the line that goes around. All the fun stuff coming here. He's gonna do some lava wrap because this is his exhaust, so he's gonna heat his fuel up. All lines underneath. And then Jeff just finished up this portion and got all that fanciness going on.
We'll just see if it works.
So what do we have left?
Oh, what's the list say? Let's find out.
Yeah.
Wire and relays. Put that on the list.
Relay. What else?
Wire headlight.
That's not getting your fuel system going.
Power not ground.
We went and got some E85, and then we're gonna see if we can get this thing to kind of work. We're having technical difficulties, but we're gonna check for some leaks, see if we get this thing to at least do something. Then we gotta go home. It's getting late. Mad scientist.
It's wet.
What?
Never mind.
About that.
It's not leaking yet.
Yeah, but we also don't have power.
Yeah, so that Holly is output. Is it ground control or is it 12 volts out?
It's 12 volts out
For the pump.
for the pump. That's what you're working with, is a 12 volt out. We'll bring it back. We'll try it again. Okay. Now we're in business. Reid's wiring got the best of us for a second. But he redeemed himself. He redeemed himself.
Cycle it again.
It's good.
It works.
Nice. No leaks?
Reid's just here huffing fuel the whole time. Yeah.
Looks like no leaks anyway.
All right. Well, it is getting late. That was a success for the most part. A couple little hiccups, but not too bad. Then he has to switch because he has 2 separate fuel systems now. So he'll flip a switch and then it'll run the in-tank pump or the small tank that he's got for 85. I know. I have no idea why he did it that way either. Because It'd be easier to get a content sensor, but that's just me. Anyway, it is late. I'm getting tired. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. Till next time, I'm out.